In this video, we're taking a look at some of the features that are specific to the Tournament Edition with regards to court and player management. Now, what you're going to find is, and I will use the indicator right here, in our tools, which is available in both the Community and the Tournament Edition, what you're going to find is there are a few options that apply only to the Tournament Edition, and that is the court status, and then also the players waiting. Now, provided you have turned on for each of the events where you want to manage courts, you have used the venue settings that are available in the menu, created your venues, associated your venues to your events. Go look at the event settings video if you need more information about events and setting up the requirement for a court. Once those settings are set and once you have assigned your courts to your particular matches, you are able to make your selection and look at your court status. So for this particular event, I can see that court 8, 5, and 4 are currently in use. I can see what matches are being played, what the team names or the last names of the players, and when those matches were started and how long they have been running. I can see that Court 5 has been running for 1 hour and 5 minutes. That's a little long. They either have not brought in their scorecard or something is awry, and I'm able to use this information. Likewise, as you play a particular event, what you're going to find useful is the players waiting. So when we select our players waiting, as long as I make the selection correctly, what we're going to get is a list of all of the players for this particular event. Now, all of these players currently have not played any matches, but we can see that for the one match that has been played by the 4 players, which we can also see over in the players area, if we take a look over there, we can always see that players that do have games are going to be in bold. Players that have not played games are going to be in the lighter color that we see right there. We can see that these particular players have been waiting for a period of 27 minutes. So this is just one of the tools that you can use in order to see throughout the course of a particular event who has been waiting, etc. Of course, one of the other tools that we have available to us in the Tournament Edition on a visual bracket is we can always see when we are scrolled in which courts are currently running and which players are or are not available. In this particular case, we can see that there are no players or no teams that are available because we do not see any green dots. That means that all of our players are currently in progress on courts, and we of course can see the courts right there with the paddle with 5, 3, 8, and 4.